I was shocked when the first time I came to this country and I saw an information on the packet of what I bought, and I was told not to do what I used to do. Hey. Welcome to Peace Diaries. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, I am Peace Okanime. Today's video, I want to tell you one of the things that shocked me when I came to this country, especially with their frozen food, chicken, fish, meat, and the rest of them. Let me show you this information. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to put it I'm going to still tag it up. This information, you can see it's read, do not wash chicken. Oven cook in the center of a preheated oven for few minutes. Then for full cooking, see reverse of the label. The information that shocked me, or I'm still at awe or still surprised at, is do not wash chicken. I'm coming. Let me show you guys what I mean. Because how would they tell me I'm buying a whole chicken and they say I should not wash? So I will just tear it like this and put in the oven. Because where I am coming from, when you buy chicken, you are going to wash all the dirty, But here, as you are buying it like this, you are putting it. If you want to cook it, you just put it in the oven and it starts to oven grill, or I'm like, no. There are so many reasons I'm not gonna just toss this inside the oven without washing. Let me show you guys. Let me open it first of all, because tell me why I'm going to just toss this inside the oven and start cooking when I am seeing some things that I don't even like. Can you guys see? What is this? So you can see. What is this? And they say I should just put it in the oven like that. This is how all the chicken comes. See, they don't clear it finish, and they said I should not wash. Do not wash. Are you guys seeing? See hairs around. They say do not wash. I beg those in diaspora, how do you do yours? Because me, I still wash my chicken. I'm going to still scrape all these things out because they can still remove. I'm going to scrape them out and wash, and then before I grill. So let me know how you guys do yours, because I don't stick to their cooking direction at all. I've heard that some people say because of jams, spread of jams and the rest of them. I beg jam no dey kill black man. Maybe now Igbo they kill, but for here they kill black man. I don't know. So for me, this is what I do. I'm going to scrape. I'm going to remove everything. I wash them one by each man. I start the thing. Never put the attitude. Look at. Are you guys seeing? Some scales are still there, and they say I should not wash my meat. What I do is, after washing my meat, I just sanitize my environment, my washing basin, and that solves the problem. So this is what I do before I wash. All this scale, I make sure I remove them before I do any other washing. See, and it's since they are still buying chicken in this country, in this new obodo, this is how their meat is. And again, you can't even boil it. It's a very soft chicken. You can't boil it. If you want to boil chicken, you have to go and buy hard chicken. Those type of recipe that you would want to use the water of the chicken after boiling, they call it broth. To use and cook your food. No, you don't do this. You don't do it with this type of chicken, because once you cook the chicken, and you're the type that don't like cooked chicken, you can't fry it, because you're gonna swallow oil. You're gonna chop plenty oil, and the meat to be very, very greasy, very oily. So I prefer to grill this type of soft chicken. But if you want to boil chicken, you buy the hard one. And I don't know where they sell hard chicken here, unless I go to Lucian market or any other farm market. You can get hard chicken. So this is, see, you guys are seeing, see, they say don't wash your chicken. Oh yeah, that one is not for me, sha. Look at this one. I don't know if you guys can see. They say don't wash your chicken. But yeah, this is what I do. I make sure I remove all the skin. These are scale, the scale of the chicken. These are scale, so I make sure I remove them, everything, before I wash, I season and marinate my chicken and then grill. So let me show you how I do it. Just take a careful look. Take a careful look of how I do it. I make use of small knives so that I don't, injure myself. And it's not very sharp. And these scales don't need sharp. They don't need sharp knife. You just need something that will just scratch on top of it and remove the scale. Wait, how many is the chicken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha! Into about 419. How about 419? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's always 9 or 10. Manankabu 8. Well. Hey, well. They have done me 419. Oh, they have done me 419. Manayadiba. Yadiba. Okay, almost done. With all this dirty, I say I should not wash the chicken. I beg, I don't want chop rubbish. I don't want chop rubbish. I don't want to chop rubbish. I'm still going to show you how I sanitize my washing basin after I finish. I'll show you guys. See this one. So I still want to remove okay. So you can see. You can see how I'm pulling it. Here's how I pull it. So I'm done with this set. Let's move over to the other set. This one's our chicken thighs. Look at what this I should not wash. I don't know if you guys can see. We'll see what this I should not wash. Look at. See here, see. I'm going pulling them out with my hands. See. And they say don't wash, just put inside the oven and grill. If I hear. Look at hairs. Look at hairs. And they say put inside the oven and grill with all these hairs. With all these hairs. So I always scrape the back of this because there are so many hairs on them. Look at this one. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see, but see hairs. So I'm going to scrape them out. I'm pulling them out like this. So see, I'm pulling them out one by one. I carefully pull them out. Or I patiently pull them out rather. See, see feathers. See feathers. Hey, please, why did these people don't? Why do they tell us not to wash the chicken? Okay, they say that it will spread germs. Apart from that, which other reason? Because I cannot be eating all these things. See now, see, see, eh, see, see, pulling out all the leftover feathers. See. See another one. See another one. I will be cutting this part out because it's always this part. I always see this leftover feathers. But yeah, I'll be cutting this part out. Don't understand. See. Hey. They say the patient man is the fattest bone. Let's patiently pull them out. So I've removed all the bone. Okay, I've removed all the skin and the excess scale. I removed everything. So I'll go ahead to wash the meat with warm water. So I've given it the first rinse. I'm still going to rinse it again for the second time. I didn't know that the video was paused. I just noticed it. So now I'm washing my hands to go marinate the chicken. So what I did was, after washing the basin and the surroundings, I sprayed this around, then cleaned it with a washcloth, washed the cloth and hung, and then I am washing my hands. So sorry, I didn't know the video was paused. See me thinking that my video is counting, but that's fine. Then I'm washing my hands to marinate the chicken. So I want to make use of this to season the chicken. We got this as a welcome to the house package from the landlord. No, it's in a box. So when you rent an apartment newly, you will receive a gift. You will receive gifts in the box. So this was part of it. So I don't want it to waste. It's capsicana Latin flavor, Argentinian seasoning stick, garlic and paprika seasoning mix. So let me just use it to marinate this chicken with my other ingredients. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to cut it open. Wow. Ooh. Can you guys see it? This is how it looks like. Are you seeing it? That's how it looks like. And I'm going to pour everything inside. I think this is enough seasoning now. I don't think I'm going to pour any other thing. This is enough seasoning already. Let me give it a quick mix. I don't know if I'm going to still add other things. Okay, I think this is okay, so I don't have a different taste. Let me know how this tastes. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to add any other ingredients, any other seasoning. I want to know how this tastes. So I'll just leave this to marinate, I'll leave it to marinate and then grill later. Okay, see you in my next video. If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, like, share my video. Now I'm going to show you guys the aftermath of this chicken. I'm going to gist you guys if the chicken tasted the way I think it's gonna taste, or I'm actually gonna tell you guys if it tasted well, if I like the taste or not. But I think this season is making sense. Look at it. Let me marinate it. Catch you guys later. Bye.